Welcome to the SolisCloud service. This video will demonstrate how to create a power station. Register as an owner. Please open the SolisCloud application. Click on the Register button at the bottom right corner of the login page. In the registration options, select Owner as the role to register as. Enter your email address and click Send. Next, please complete the slider verification. Please check your email and enter the verification code you received. After checking the box to agree to the privacy policy, please click Next. Now enter the username and password you wish to register with. After completing the above steps, click Register to successfully set up your account. Create a power station. Now enter the plant page. Click on the plus icon in the upper right corner to start adding your power station. Fill in the basic information of the power station, then click Next. You can choose to set the electricity tariff for the power station as fixed tariff or peak valley tariff. After setting it up, click Next again. On this page, you can add power station visitors. Click Next, where you can also fill in additional information related to the power station. Finally, click Create Plant. Once the creation is complete, the page will automatically redirect to the home page, where you can see the newly created power station in the list of power stations. Thank you for choosing Solis. We wish you a pleasant experience.